In PTC Thermistor ceramic chip inspection, manual checks are slow and inconsistent, while conventional vision can scratch glass discs and lose accuracy on complex defects. To address this, Openex developed an AI-powered machine vision inspection system engineered specifically for PTC chips. Dedicated mechanical handling and AI algorithms deliver stable, accurate, high-speed inspection while protecting glass discs. At about 800 pieces per minute, the system detects major defect categories, including electrode-related defects such as non-uniformity, surface flashover, misalignment, and insufficient edge margin, as well as warpage, deformation, corner chipping, edge breakage, fractures, fragments, scratches, material adhesion, and discoloration. Mechanical pre-sorting removes fractured and sharp-edged rejects to prevent scratches and jams. Automatic disc cleaning improves stability, while downstream packaging integration enables true, unmanned inspection.